provides the right amount of traction. There is a friction on the road, preservation of replacement parts, braking capability within stopping distance, forewarn other road users of intentions. Okay, depress late. Okay, in braking, you have to depress early and depress hard and reduce pressure gradually, and then you check the rear view mirror. When are you going to reduce your speed? For poor visibility, approaching crest of hill, keep to the right. Why are you keeping to the right? Because you don't see who's coming. At the back of the hill, who's. So if you're positioning on the left, maybe all of a sudden a big truck will be climbing the hill, oncoming vehicles, then you'll be in trouble. Approaching crossroads, railroad crossing, on narrow or winding roadways, approaching road repairs, construction areas, approaching accident scenes, approaching or passing pedestrians, entering school zones and playgrounds, then entering hospital zones. What would be the following distance? We have to apply the 2-second rule. I've already explained this to my previous video, but I'm going to explain it again. So if you see a permanent post, for example, when the vehicle in front, the car in front passes that permanent post, then you start counting 1001, 1002. When you reach the post within that time period, then your following distance is safe. Otherwise, you have to slow down to increase the time of the following distance. There is also 4-second rule, and that this is more safer, because you are, by doing that, you are effectively increasing the following distance, especially for trucks, heavy vehicles. So the 4-second rule is a rule of thumb by which a driver may maintain a safe following distance at any speed. Okay. Okay. That car in front already passes, or already in front of that structure. Okay. So then you follow. You just count the 4-second rule. Tailgating, 3 factors affect how long it takes you to stop: perception distance, reaction distance, and braking distance. Okay. I've already discussed this. Recognize the hazard, understand the defense, and act in time. And there should be good observation, 360 degrees observation. Okay. There will be perception. There will be judgment on part of the driver upon recognizing the hazard. And then there will be reaction. Okay. And it should be 360 degrees observation. And be able to act in time. Elements of defensive driving. Okay, you have a central vision, then you have a peripheral vision. The reason why you have to do more scanning, especially when you're driving in multiple lanes. The one that you're going to do is you're going to do an observation, 360 degrees observation, longitudinal, peripheral, rear observation, and even overhead observation. Anticipation, you have to anticipate what other drivers will do. Okay, and you have to anticipate what are you going to do, and then you plan ahead, plan your route, or plan your action, then restrain yourself. If it is not enough for you to be able to, to evade, don't do it. Try to restrain yourself. Just slow down. Okay, these are the 360 degrees observation: front, peripheral, side mirrors, rear view mirrors, and head turns. Head turns is for when you have a blind spots, you have to turn your head. People are saying drivers stupid when they're not, when they are turning their head. That's wrong. You have to, especially when you are when you are like, for example, you are turning to the right, you have to look at the right because you are situated on the left portion of the vehicle, and you have to look at the right blind spots, and you have to turn your head. Okay. Up to 80% of accidents are caused by poor sighting skills. About 90% of driving analysis is through vision. Okay. When stationary central vision would be 440 degrees. Okay. And then there are still remaining 210 degrees when you're doing peripheral vision. Okay. When you're driving 100 kilometers per hour, your vision will be limited to 10 and 12 degrees only. You're almost like just your observation is only in front, and you don't have peripheral visions. And and if you are slower than that, then you'll be able to scan, because if you're driving fast, your eyes will be fixed the road ahead. Will be more focused